When storm damage occurs, it can be a stressful time for homeowners. These tips will point you in the right direction in managing the aftermath of a storm and mitigating further damage. Safety first. Ensure safety by leaving the property if there's potential structural damage and consulting a professional inspector to address long-term issues after a major storm. Document the damage. Document the damage promptly by taking photos and videos, noting the date and time to support your insurance claims for comprehensive coverage. Contact your insurance company. Report the damage promptly to your insurance provider. Initiate the claims process with necessary documentation and follow their guidance for repairs and living arrangements. Initiate damage control. To prevent further damage, take proactive steps by boarding up broken windows, covering roof damage with tarps, and removing excess water to minimize the risk of mold growth. Reach out to professionals. Hire a reputable licensed contractor with verified references to evaluate and repair storm damage, avoiding risks associated with unethical storm chasers. Track your expenses. Keep meticulous records of all storm-related expenses, including repair costs and temporary living expenses, as this documentation will help in filing your insurance claim. Take swift and thoughtful action in sharing this guide with others to confidently navigate post-storm recovery, ensuring the safety, restoration, and resilience of your home.